Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And so today I want to show you how well the jute mellow, so I have deck and I have bow, are growing in the kitchen garden. So this is like the kitchen garden. I'm so happy with the progress because the plants are healthy, green and growing fast. Okay, one of the main reasons they are doing so well is that I used pure organic manure before planting. Rich organic manure improves the soil by adding nutrients that help the vegetables grow stronger and also produce healthy leaves and develop good roots. As you can see, they've already producing some healthy leaves. So another thing I made sure to do is water them every day. Like I do water the plants every day, especially when the weather is hot and dry. Like for now we are in summer season, so I have to water them each and every day. Consistent watering helps keep the soil moist so the vegetables continue growing well. However, it's also important not to overwater if the soil is already wet. So both the plants are excellent traditional vegetables. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them a healthy addition to family meals. You can enjoy them with ugali, fish, or any meal you love. If you think about starting a small kitchen garden, I encourage you to try growing these vegetables. Even a small space can provide fresh, nutritious food for your family. It's not a must you have your kitchen garden. For my case, if I like the kitchen garden, you use the unused bags, easy uhuru bags. Yeah, you improvise them, and then you can just make yourself a small garden. Yeah. And so thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying or if you've enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more gardening, healthy lifestyle and recipe content. See you in my next video.